A warm welcome to all the viewers of this video lecture series on Radwin 2000 series point-to-point radio device. This video lecture series comprises of 4 video lectures. In the first lectures, we will talk about the introduction of and overview of Radwin 2000 point-to-point radio equipment. In the second lecture, we will cover the installation and alignment of the radios. In the third lecture, we will talk about the whole procedure of installation and its operation of Radwin Manager application. And in the last lecture, we will cover the used cases of the Radwin 2000A point-to-point radio equipment. So before starting this whole video lecture series, let me introduce myself. My name is Siddharth Samant, and presently I have been working in OA as a management trainee. I am having a long experience of working in the BSNL, almost 15 years, and during this whole 15 years, I have been involved in the various wings of the department. In the early stages of my career, I have been involved in the transmission wing, wherein I have laid almost 500 kilometers of OFC and installed installed and commissioned several transmission equipments like MADM, SDH equipment, DWDM, CPANs, OTN, SSU, DXCs, etc. Later on, I have been posted in the business section, main business unit, wherein I have been exposed to the various access and aggregation devices like MNG PAN, BNGs, Super Edge router, IPMPLS routers, and the MAN equipment also. In addition to it, I have been involved in the eNode B deployment also in our area. So this is a brief introduction of myself. Let's start our first lecture with the introduction and overview of the equipment. In this video, we will cover the product overview of the Radwin 2000A series point-to-point radio equipment. The radio equipment offers point-to-point solutions that are designed to deliver reliable connectivity over a long distance using unlicensed band radio. The Radwin 2000 Alpha series point-to-point radio equipment designed for the various applications including enterprise access, video surveillance, backhaul for communications, lease line replacement, and building-to-building connectivity. Now let's talk about some of the key features of this equipment. We have 3 types of the Radwin 2000 Alpha series equipment in BSNL, which offers net aggregate throughput of 10, 2500 Mbps depending on the specific model and configuration. As far as the range is concerned, it is capable of reaching a distance up to 5 km depending on the model, frequency, and antenna configuration. It is capable of transmitting maximum power up to 21 dBm in 5.8 GHz frequency band. It also supports MIMO or diversity mode of transmission. MIMO stands for the multiple input, multiple output. It uses multiple antenna at both the transmitter and receiver end to enable multiple data stream to be transmitted simultaneously to increase the data rate and the capacity of the communication system. While the diversity technique transmit the same data signal across the multiple independent paths to improve the signal reliability by mitigating the effect of fading and interference. So we can see with the help of the MIMO, we will have a better throughput, and with the diversity we will get the reliability, and this equipment is having both the features. It also offers the QoS and VLAN support for packet classification to prioritize traffic and support .1Q and QNQ VLAN tagging for the network segmentation. It supports web-based management and SNMP and integration with Radwin's network management system for simplified setup and monitoring, which make it easy for the installation and management. Now let's talk about this component, the component of this equipment. This equipment is the component of this equipment can be broadly categorized in the two part. First part is the hardware part, and the second part is the software part. In the hardware part, there are the three components. One is the audio, antenna, and the IDU. In the BSNL, we often use the audio and antenna only for the point-to-point communication, but there are some cases where we use IDU also for the point-to-multipoint communication. Now let's move forward to the hardware component. The first hardware component, that is audio. I am having this audio with me, whose model number is RW2000/ODU/A/F58/WPC/EXT/25M. This model number itself represent everything, and itself says everything about this audio. This RW2000 is a make and model of this device. Audio and external means this is an outdoor external device. A stands for Alpha series equipment. Alpha is one of the model of this Radwin 2000 equipment. F58 indicates 5.8 gigahertz frequency band, and 25M denotes 25 MB throughput. One more thing is that this audio is having two N-type connector for the external antenna. This device is compliant with the WPC also. Now move forward to the antenna device. This antenna is basically a dual polarized parabolic antenna, which consists of the parabolic disc as a reflector and a circular waveguide. The reflector disc used to focus the wave into the narrow beam, which helped in attaining the long range of communication, whereas the circular waveguide with the dual feed provides the higher channel capacity and reliability. The dual feed system provides the two orthogonal polarization, that is horizontal and vertical, on the same antenna to transmit and receive the data simultaneously. This effectively doubles the channel capacity, allowing for the higher throughput. It gives the capability to transmit and receive signal with two distinct orthogonal polarization simultaneously, which improves the link reliability by providing redundant path. If one polarization is affected by the interference or the signal degradation, the other polarization can still maintain a strong connection. Now this covers the hardware part of this equipment. Now come to the software part, which is the Radwin Manager application. The Radwin Manager application provides the comprehensive management tools to plan, install, configure, maintain and monitor Radwin link via a single IP. The SNMP based Radwin Manager can be simply integrated with any NMS system. About the Radwin Manager application, we will talk more on our third video lecture, and wherein we will cover comprehensively this application. So this is all about this session. Here we are closing down our first lecture. I hope it will help you a lot in understanding the Radwin 2000A series point-to-point radio equipment. Thanks.